Story collection YouTube channel. The news headlines. Special Instant Revision SIR electoral rules begin. Security forces intensify hostage rescue operations. KCP militants later arrested in Delhi. Bengal trucker killed in Manipur attack. Major drug boost, 18 crore Yaba tablets. Government announced austerity measures. Civil body rally on May 30. Continuing tension in hostage crisis situation. The news in detail. Manipur has started a special intensive revision of voter lists after more than 2 decades. The final electoral roll will be published on 6 September 2026 ahead of upcoming elections. Security forces continue joint operation to rescue hostages amid ongoing tension and protests in several districts including Kangpokpi and Senapati. A senior leader of the banned Kangleipak Communist Party (KCP) was arrested in Delhi in connection with ongoing militant and hostage-related activities in Manipur. A truck driver transporting FCI goods was killed in an attack in Manipur, raising fresh concern over transport security and violence on highway. Major drug boost, 18 crore Yaba tablet seized. Authorities arrested a man from Manipur with Yaba tablet worth 18 crore, highlighting ongoing drug trafficking network in the region. Manipur cabinet decided to reduce VIP convoy size and cut government spending following national-level appeal for fiscal discipline. KNP Manipur has cancelled a nationwide protest rally over killing and detention issue, adding to ongoing ethnic tensions. Reports indicate ongoing civil unrest, protests, and multiple hostage incidents with security operations continue across the state. The National Investigative Agency (NIA) carried out raids across 4 states targeting a suspected cross-border arms and IED smuggling network linked to terror planning in India. Fuel prices across India's states are unchanging today, giving temporary relief to consumers after earlier fluctuation due to global crude oil trades. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi criticized the government over CUET-UG disruption, claiming repeated failures in national exams like NEET, SSC, and CBSE. New discussion emerged on aviation safety following investigation reports in the past Air India Boeing 787 fuel switch issue, raising concerns over technical reliability. India is close to watching the global oil supply situation as geopolitical tensions in the Strait of Hormuz may affect energy import and prices. Mumbai University admission deadlines and merit list released multiple academic updates across the university on May 30 schedules. The Sports Ministry introduced new National Sports Governor Rule 2026 framework and improving transparency and management of sports sport in India. Thunderstorms and weather disturbances affected movement in some parts of India, causing temporary trouble, delay, and disruption. And now from the world news. Arsenal and PSG are preparing for the UEFA Champions League final in Budapest, with global attention on squad strategies, fan travel, and final match prediction. Several European countries, including France, Spain, Italy, and Portugal, are experiencing record-breaking heat waves, with temperatures crossing dangerous level and triggering hell alerts and school disruption. 2026 IBJJF World Championship Mundials are underway in California, featuring top global athletes competing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu across multiple categories. The UFC event in the Macau headlines with the Song Yadong versus Davision Figueiredo, along with multiple international fight cards and debut fighters from Asia and US. Reports indicate continuing geopolitical tension in the Middle East, including Iran-related military claims and ongoing regional instability concerns after global security. International surveys show rising public concern about military conflict, corruption, and inflation, especially in Europe, the US, and Asia-Pacific region. World Athletic Major Tournament continuing globally. FIFA World Cup 2026 preparation ongoing with final schedule in USA on July 19, 2026. The Indian Army concluded exercise Pragati 2026 at Umrao, Meghalaya, with participation from 13 countries, focusing on joint training, Peacekeeping Corporation Regional Security Coordination. Manipur has started a special intensive revision SIR electoral roll after decades. The updated voter list will be finalized ahead of future elections. Niti Aayog has highlighted Meghalaya as a year-round tourism destination, with homestays playing a key role in boosting rural economy and eco-tourism. Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya held discussion to strengthen interstate cooperation and development coordinations. Meiteis organization in Assam held a sit-in demanding inclusion under Clause 6 of the Assam Accord, seeking constitutional protection for cultural identity. The IMD has warned of heavy rainfall, thunderstorm and lightning across Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh. Reports indicate continued security operation, protests and border-related tension in part of Manipur and adjoining region of Northeast. Security agencies in Assam identified action against suspected ULFA-1 security recruitment and terror funding network. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day. A biotech entrepreneur has launched new companies focused on human embryos in editing to prevent hereditary disease, sparking global debate on ethics, safety, and design. This signal baby scientists are divided on whether germline editing should be allowed. China has sent lab-created human artificial embryos to the Taigong space station to study our development in microgravity. This could help understand human reproduction in space and future Mars colonization. A new UN climate report predicted 2026 to 2030 will likely be coming among the hottest year ever recorded, with a possible crossing of the 1.5 degrees Celsius warming limit. This increases risks of heat waves, flood, and ecosystem demands. Scientists have discovered a new freshwater reserve beneath the Atlantic Ocean seafloor, potentially enough to supply millions of people for centuries. This could become a major future water resources. NASA has revealed plans for long-term human settlement on the Moon, including cargo missions, lunar infrastructure, and future habitat as part of deep space exploration strategy. Advanced space science developed recent global science update includes AI-powered spacecraft computers, Mars and asteroid exploration mission, new space telescope technologies, increasing international cooperation in space research, breakthrough in cancer genetic science. Research studies show new CAR T-cell cancer therapies, genetic switches, improving immune response, advancing understanding how cells survive in extreme regions. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.